Overnight, Russia unleashed one of its heaviest strikes yet on Ukraine's heartland. The target? The Poltava region, far beyond the Donbas front lines, on the banks of the Dnipro River. The skies over Kremenchuk and Lubny lit up as waves of drones and cruise missiles zeroed in on what Moscow called Ukraine's war-fueling infrastructure. Thick, black smoke engulfed Kremenchuk at dawn, rolling like a storm over residential districts. Flames consumed the oil refinery and gas facilities, turning the city's skyline into a battlefield of fire and ash. Russia's Ministry of Defense claimed responsibility, declaring all designated facilities were hit. The oil refinery supplying the Ukrainian armed forces in Donbas has been destroyed. On the ground, Ukrainian officials painted a picture of devastation. Kremenchuk's mayor, Vitaly Maletsky, admitted tens of blasts shook the city. Poltava, Governor Volodymyr Kohut, confirmed widespread blackouts. Nearly 2,500 households and 119 businesses lost electricity. Administrative buildings of energy companies were damaged. Fortunately, there were no casualties. But Russia's strikes did not stop there. In the north, the Chernihiv region was hit by drones. Governor Vyacheslav Chaus conceded infrastructure was damaged and some settlements are without power. Later, he reported the death of a 45-year-old man. Ukraine's energy ministry admitted the scale of the blow, saying large-scale fires ripped through gas and refining facilities, part of what it called systematic attacks on the grid. These strikes demonstrated Russia's resolve, crippling Ukraine's energy backbone while signaling to Kiev and Washington that the war will be fought on Moscow's terms.